Oh, good evening, my ladies, gentlemen, both neithers, in-betweens, and outsiders. Welcome to Monday Night Tea Time with your host, the Bard. Sorry. New mug. Still getting used to the weight on it. It's one of those where you can only kind of get two fingers in at a time. Um, Super fun, though. I was going to call it the Archivist's mug, and then I showed it to Curly, and he goes, the Watcher's mug. And I was like, oh my god, that's a severely better name. So like I said, I'm probably going to rotate through more of my mugs. Not that I don't love Fox Mug, but I already used Fox Mug today, so it's still in the sink needing to be washed. So Watcher's Mug today, and then I do have other mugs. I've got others. Fox Mug is, of course, not out of use. It's just, I might include more of a rotation later. Anyway, how are you this evening? I have nothing really to say, so, why don't I just do the songs first, and then I can ramble and ramble and ramble afterward. This is my first time using this mug, by the way. I like it. Still do have to get used to that weight, though. But it made me really happy when I saw it. Alright, we have Green by Cavetown and Lunacy by me. And an accent for no good reason. Ooh, I should sing them in an accent one day. One day, not today, but one day, maybe. Should, probably, perhaps, maybe do so. Whew. Now I've totally forgotten what the lyrics are because I was being stupid. This is erosion. Grind up rocks with your molars. A big fish swims past your rod. You can't catch it, it's far too fast. Deep hook marks and rubber lips. I see your eyes in the flowers. I'll pick a bunch for your room, green and blue to match your pictures. Oh, well, you look so good in green, and I hope you're well. And you look so good with him, and I'm proud of you still. I miss your perfect teeth. Oh, I was too blunt. I hope you feel happy. That's all I want. Just thinking about another song that I want to sing, but probably too late to put it in. It's my video. I can sing another song if I want to. Yeah, but I'm having a hard time picking what lyric to start with, even if I do, because it's not a song that I've been practicing. I want you, we can bring it on the floor. I've never danced like this before. I shouldn't talk about it. Dance along, feel the boogie all night long. Stolen paradise. Anyway, yeah, no, that one is, if I could get more comfortable in the scratch voice, which I didn't do just now because I sang it slightly differently than, of course, the music actually goes. That's one that I would love to do at karaoke in the future, just because I do love the scratch that I have to do to go along with the music. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, that's Stolen Dance, Milky Chance, so that I've just said who it belongs to, and then we'll do my song right now anyway, because that's what I was supposed to have done. Well, I'm sorry, I am not the moon, and this isn't just a phase. You said that 11 years ago, and you think it's still today. Well, you were screaming at me then, but now I see it on your face, and I'm sorry. I am not the moon, and this isn't just a phase, and I'm so sorry I can't be someone that you wanted. I'm so sorry that I've gotta be me, and it's fucked up that I need to say that. Other things, because I don't have a lot of, like I said, we've reached changes plateau. Hair growth continues, of course, more noticeable on my shoulders, my back, my chest is starting to get hair, which is, yeah, really weird considering I haven't had top surgery. To have, like, oh, look at this masculine hair growth on this very not masculine chest. It's a bit odd. Really. But I'm choosing to take the positive side of this one and be like, yeah, chest hair. Other than that, like, just the plateau in the continuation of changes that are already occurring. Like, I think voice is pretty well settled where it's gonna be. I don't expect it to get any deeper, which is fine. I actually really like it. I have a really hard time doing tenor notes, so I guess I ended up as like a bit of a higher baritone or something. So that's cool. That's really cool. I get properly gendered everywhere I go now, and I forgot I had a timer on. I'm the worst. All right, so sorry if the visual quality changed because my phone interrupted. I forgot what I was saying. Probably wasn't important. Nothing I ever say is important. Well, from across the room right now, I can see my packet full of passport application stuff. That's coming up this week, that I can finally send out for that. And once I have that, then I'm all good to go. I still need to change my name on all my other accounts and stuff. Like, my bank account's still in my old name. I need to fix that. But yeah, physically we're not seeing any new changes. Voice is pretty well settled. The same changes continue. Libido has spiked back up. I don't know if there's actually a reason for that or if I'm just, like, excited right now. I just realized that word sounds wrong in that context. Except that it's still totally, that's not the improper context. Well, now you know something about me right now. Anyway, yeah, I don't really have anything new aside from, like, passport app. That's exciting. But, other than that, this has been entirely too long to tell you absolutely nothing. So I hope that you have a lovely evening. I'm going to go now, and I will see you next week. Ow! It makes it itchy, like painful itchy. Anyway, yeah, we're coming up on a year, and I don't know, as I get closer to the year mark and changes don't occur, I'm starting to wonder if maybe I won't need to do Monday Night Tea Times anymore. I mean, of course, I'll still want to do, like, videos discussing, like, oh, I went in for this trans-related thing, and, like, follow-ups, like, like, in 2 years' time when I actually start looking into top surgery, because I know I'm going to put everything off that long, that I, like, show back up and be like, hey, Monday Night Tea Time, it's been a while, looking at top surgery, here are my options, here's an interesting discussion about top surgery. But I feel like we're just getting to a point where you're just listening to me blabber on and sing the same two songs over and over again. So I think as we approach that, what is it, 52 week mark, that may just stop. Well, maybe not. I like having this one thing that I hold myself to. Maybe I'll change it to something else. Maybe Monday night will be, it'll still be tea time, but it won't be tea time. It will just be tea time and a little bit of a vlog. Oh god, I'm so terrible at vlogs. Go home, have a lovely evening. I'll talk to you next week and I'll have some more thoughts, hopefully. But for right now, stay well, be well, do well. Love you all. Gems and jewels. Have a lovely night.